Let's understand how you can check your CIBIL Score and Report on the CIBIL website. To begin with, simply visit the official TransUnion CIBIL website www.cibil.com. If you already have a CIBIL account, log in by clicking on Existing User and select Individual. Then enter your credentials to access the dashboard to view your CIBIL Score and Report. If you are a new user, creating your CIBIL account is the first step in accessing your CIBIL Score and Report. Click on New User to start. CIBIL offers subscription plans to help you maintain a healthy credit profile. The 3 plans offered here are 1 month, 6 month, and a 12-month plan. Apart from the subscription plans, the free annual CIBIL Score and Report is available once every calendar year. If you only want to access your CIBIL report, you can purchase the starter plan. To proceed, click Subscribe Now on your selected plan. Create your CIBIL account by entering your personal information. Submit the details after reading the terms and conditions carefully. Next, to verify your identity, enter the OTP received on your mobile number and email ID provided in the previous step. Review your plan selection and proceed to make the payment. Complete the payment through your preferred mode. By following these steps, you have now created your CIBIL account and can access your CIBIL dashboard. You can now check your CIBIL Score and Report anytime.